In conclusion, so there you have it, the secret to attracting wealth effortlessly. We've spent the last few minutes unraveling the enigma of money, recognizing it not as a mere tangible asset, but as a spiritual energy. We've delved into the law of attraction, a universal principle that can guide you to a prosperous life if harnessed correctly. And we've discussed the importance of reshaping your attitude towards money to put you on a path of financial abundance and success. Remember, money is not the root of all evil, nor is it the pinnacle of happiness. It's an energy that reflects your inner beliefs and attitudes. If you can master your mindset, you can attract wealth effortlessly, just like tuning a radio to the right frequency.